Hey guys, Joey here with World of RV Parts. Today's video is going to be on the Dometic Duo-Therm Air Conditioner Motor Run Capacitor. The part number is 3313107.027. This is a 30/5 MFD. It is 3 inches tall by 2 inches in diameter. The voltage is 370 volts AC. It's cylinder. Micro-Farad is 30 over 5, like we talked about. The Hertz is 50 over 60 Hertz. The number on the actual product itself is 3100248.420. It is compatible with the following Dometic air conditioners models: 57915.008 is also compatible with 57915.010, 57915.421, and 57915.422, 57915.426, 57915.503, and 57915.521, as well as 57915.526, 57915.531, and 57915.536C1, and a few others. We're just going to go ahead and list them in the description. If you're looking for a capacitor, a fan motor run capacitor for your air conditioner, and you have a Dometic Duo-Therm with any of these part numbers, this is the one you need. That is the purpose of this video. A lot of people don't know because the number on the actual capacitor itself doesn't match the number that is being listed online to be sold. So that being said, if you guys are in the market for a capacitor, I will post a link below in the description where you can get some. And safe travels out there, and we will see you in the next video.